Welcome to this channel, all of you. I've been not uploading videos again for my inconsistency that I've talked about before, and I don't know why I miss the consistency so many times after learning a lot of things. Why I'm not making videos so frequently, but sometimes there there is some happening in your life which is a kind of excuse we all often make. So am I. Actually, I have been learning English or trying to learn English from the past 2 years, and still I am not become so fluent in English. I don't know why it happened. But I know one thing, that to learn anything or to see a growth, you have to become a consistent person, irrespective of the difficulties you are facing in your life or the thing that is happening currently in your life. And I'm sorry for pausing too long. I am now decided one thing, that in this month of May, I will make videos irrespective of it make any value to the people, because most of the times you just need to start things. I have not doing anything from 15 days before, from past 15 days, because I was somewhere at someone's marriage, and I have not put any my laptop, or there was no place where I can shoot myself. So it was a lazy days, straight 15 days, and now I feel lack of flow, lack of inconsistent, you could say. Now I in the morning, in today morning, make some points in my diary, that what should I do now. Yeah, I have made all more mistakes, so I have not growth, so I have not grow till now. But now I am so fucking serious that if I want to make any growth in my life, whether in personality, whether in personal development or the career perspective, money perspective, or networking, I should have I should have to take the steps from my side. And this will happen only if I make things very consistently. Most of the times we think we should give value to the people, but we don't think that to share some value you must have first valuable person. You must have your ethics, your you have achieved something, could be a little part, a little winning, but you have achieved and you are so confident that you have done it very greatly. So you could give value to the people, you could give that point. But when you have not achieved things, you must learn this, you must heard this quote, mm, make first rich then become a philosopher. This kind of quote I've heard or I've read somewhere, and this is very apt at this place. All the people come on YouTube, try to give value, try to uh, try to make themselves a superior person, that they know something that others can't. Yeah, my English is why I'm always highlighting my English, because I think people will be discovering me after 2 to 3 years, and they will think that where I was coming from. Yeah, I have studied my 10th and I've studied my 12th in CBSE board, and still my English is not good, because to learn any language you have to first surround, or you have to make your environment in that language. And every family has the same problem, every person has the same problem. They feel difficult to make the environment. They are very comfortable in their environment, in their surrounding, so they won't make any changes that come out of their comfort zone. In the morning, I decided to make 5-minute video daily, or at least 3 videos in a week. Doesn't matter it has some valuable information or not. Doesn't matter it will give any information. It will give any valuable thing to the people, or my viewer if they will watch. I'm just come on camera daily, or 2 to 3 days, after 2 to 3 days, and whatever I am doing these days I'll be sharing. Don't care about the views, the subscriber. I have recorded my last very first video in 3 months ago, and after a 3 month I have not gained a single subscriber. I have zero subscriber, and because of and so with the views, and it is because I have not uploaded so much videos. I've just uploaded 8 long videos and one short, TikTok videos. It's been 8 minutes. I've Okay. So it is very good that I've recorded a 8 minute video today. Something is better than nothing. I believe if I want to make the things better in my life, I have to do something. I need to start from somewhere, and it uh, cost me in a better way. I don't know how to structure it properly, but by the time I am, I will be sure. I'm sure. I will learn English or any language, and make myself proud. This is so what I have what I have wrote down in my uh, in my notebook in the morning, that from this week, or from this month of May, I will constantly make videos. Yeah, to to get confident, you must obey your words. You should follow your words. So if you make a promise and you do it, then you feel a confidence, a self esteem, that you have done what you were saying, and this is happened. So this is my words, that I will do as hard as to make videos so consistently, and my target for this month is 20 videos. I'm on this 10th video, and after reach after the end of this month. I try to make the video count of 10 to 20 to 25. Okay, so this is all for today. Hope hope you will find somewhere in your life. You'll find me somewhere in your life. I hope you will be the successful person at that time. And so I am. Thanks for watching this video. If you can relate to me, subscribe this channel and subscribe to this channel and like this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.